Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and I'm excited for this season because spring is almost over and summer is coming, and I'm excited to share with you a lot of my travel essentials that I love to bring, as well as they are my favorites for the recent year, of course. Now, summer is coming up and we're kind of excited. A lot of us have planned trips and a lot of us are going on vacations. I've been recently going to, because here in the Philippines it's mainly summer all the time. I mean, it's always hot here, so it's really nice to just cool down, relax, enjoy the summer feels without getting too hot. But here it is, so let's just get into it. Now, I wanted to share with you guys a lot of these because these are all, most of them actually are from Shopee, and I really want to recommend to you guys because it's the greatest shop for me to get things that are necessities, that are important stuff. And you might be surprised because a lot of them are actually very fast when they're delivered. And the first one is actually this one. This is a Charles X luggage. So it's just like the Rimowa. This is the Charles X 2024, or the ruggedly one. And this one I love because this is case scratch resistant as well. And this has the double lock, so you can actually choose different lock codes for both of the locks because they are great. And then you just click it open like this, and then there it is. So there is for the first side, and then of course the regular clothing side for the straps, and the one with the covered. So that one is kind of easy. This one is in the gray. I wanted to get the one with the cup holder, but then we recently figured out, with me and my hubby, of course, recently figured out that the smaller luggage is too small for us. So when we got one of the new ones, we thought that it wasn't as efficient to use, so we kind of gifted it instead, and then just got the bigger one. So this one is size 24. I might get a 26 or a 22 next time for like solo, for like bringing it to the plane. But it still depends because this one is more of a priority, because when we do like overnight trips, sometimes the carry-on size, or the size 20, is not as big to fit in my kid and my clothes, as well as of course my hubby's clothes, even like for a quick swimming, because you really need a lot more, especially in swimming, than like on regular trips without a pool or without the beach. So I think it would be best for us to get like maybe a 22 as a carry-on, and then so forth. We do have a beautiful green one that we got at the mall in SM, and it's really really nice, but it is so big. It's for like multiple days when we're going to go maybe to the province to meet a couple of our in-laws or a family in the further down the south or further down the north. So it's actually good to have also the big one. But we really think that's something that's more durable, that we're going to use on a almost daily, not really daily, but maybe a monthly basis if you like to go on staycations a bit more. So this is actually the greater size. And this one, like I said, this is size 24. It fits me, my hubbies, and my baby girls items, and I think also include the floaters, but we did separate it on a carry on, like a bag, like a duffel bag, because we think it would be better for it to have a separate one. Plus we like also bringing a bag that's for like our wet clothes or our laundry, so it's not gonna mix up inside the luggage. But if you're not the type of person, it depends on you. And plus I also have like the baby bag that we have, that's usually just a backpack that my hubby carries, so it's not really a big deal. But like I said, this is my favorite, if not the best, my most favorite travel essential in 2025, I guess, because we just got this for 2025 and it's really, really nice and it's super worth it. Now, the next one, I'm a mom. I kind of learned to organize, and it's essential for me to organize a lot of the stuff that I need to bring because I have a kid, I have a husband, and most of them they depend all the packing with me, or packing. I usually do the packing, so I guess it's that kind of issue. So I love organizers, travel organizers. I love them to bits. Just because me, I also like bags, and I like putting organizers on my bags. So this ones are luggage organizers. I got this also from Shopee. I can link down below where I specifically got mine. But you have so many options already there. I'll maybe link a couple of them if you don't want the color selections of this shop, and you can have it this shop. And their pricing is almost the same. And sometimes the delivery is also up close to each other because usually it's just from one location or same shop locations together. But yeah, I love this travel. This one comes with the, I think it's the 6-in-1 or 8-in-1. It also includes this kind. So as you can see here, we had a recent trip, and I had like extra clothes also to bring because it's actually more important for you to have extra clothes packed just in case you have like a special event or a special day that came up and you don't have the proper clothes for it for like a vacation. And yeah, the travel kits are amazing. They're great. They're really essential for your luggage because you want things to be organized. Like maybe if you want to separate all your sets of clothes, what are you going to wear for the top, what are you going to wear for the bottom, so you can select them properly when you already get to the location. So it's really good to have organizers. And probably because I'm obsessed with organizers, but it's better because it will not be confusing for you guys to actually sort it out when you get to the vacation house or to your vacation hotel. So I would really suggest to get a travel organizer. Then one more, like I said, I have a kid, and we do bring a lot of stuff. And I kind came to realize that we like bringing my tumbler. It's like this super big, I think A flask, A flask. It says A plus flask tumbler, and I really really like it. I've already shared it to you guys in the past kind of videos I have, and honestly, it's heavy. I can honestly say it's heavy. And recently, I don't know if you guys seen some of my shorts. I did like a couple of hiking recently, and I love it so much that I had to get on one of my other hikings. I had to get this one, which is a, what do you call this again? This is like a water bladder pouch. And this one is in the 3 liter, so you can drink this up to 3 liters, fill it up, and you can just bring it. So it's super lightweight. So the only weight that this is gonna have is the water that you're gonna fill it up with. And I filled this up with 3 liters, and when we had our hiking, I had a few extra more. So I really didn't need to bring an extra bottle or excess drink because it fits here, and it's so easy because it's super locked in, like it literally doesn't spill, and you're just gonna sip here because my kid has her own water. Like we put it in a bottle first because hers is sterilized water, fertilized, and so it just sips here. And of course, it's just me and my hubby usually drinking. It's so convenient because it's just small. Plus, we like using like one of my hiking bags already as her baby bag because it's small, it's lightweight, and it's easy to carry stuff in it. Besides, we don't bring a lot more stuff recently because she turned 2, so yay for that. So this is great to put it in the bag. It doesn't consume a lot of the space, and then you're gonna put a lot of stuff in it yet, and then it's really nice because like I said, it's super lightweight. It's great for traveling, even if it's just you and your hubby or you just a solo trip. This is nice because you can put it also on your tote bag, and you can just sip there, and it does have a close, and it's easy because the instructions on how you clean it is also here. And I will link it down below. Unfortunately, I got this where I got a couple of my other hiking gear, which is in camel. I love camel. It's amazing. It's like if you want to do like a starter up, you don't want to fully commit on some gear, but you still want quality gear. Camel is really great. This is not an endorsement. I'm not paid to endorse this to you guys, but I really, really like it. So let's stop with the whole, exaggerated on camel. One more thing that I usually bring because, I like swimming, especially on vacation, we usually have swimming included, is a wet bag. So the wet bag, of course, I think a lot of people already purchased this, but I still want to share it to you guys, is because this one is Ocean Peak. It's a wet bag. So I think you guys seen this on like snorkeling. When people are snorkeling, you have this one, it rolls up, and then you could just seal it, and then stuff inside is proven to not get wet at all. And I've already tried it because we went to swimming, we went to a falls, we went to a river, and this was safe, this was nice, it didn't get wet. I could put this on the ground, it's not gonna get wet there. Of course, if it pokes a hole, then of course it's gonna get wet things inside, but it is protective. And I kind of ordered the 5 liters as well as the 10 liters that I haven't used yet. I choose the yellow one and one in 10 liters that is red, just because I think when you're going hiking or when you're going swimming or to beach, you want something that's distinctive in color so that it doesn't really blend like in the dark when you're like overnight swimming. You can see it easily, it's not gonna get lost. And it's of course, it's a nice color, bright yellow for like a summer vacation. So that is that. And my favorite, I've raved this before already, I think 2 years ago or last year. I still love these bags. These are the floral organizers. These are floral pouches. And of course, the combination that I've been loving is the white and blue. Not because I love blue so much. No, my favorite color is actually red. But this combination is so adorable. Like, look at those colors. So I'll try to link because the shop that I got this from is out of stock, or I don't think they restock anymore with this design. I will link down below most of the things that I can see that are in stock that are almost similar design or similar items and just a different design but still the same pouch sets. So I bought this for separately. So these are actually three. One of it is in my makeup pouch, the small ones like a pencil case shape, and this one I usually bring with me in the travel because it's so cute. I mean, if like taking pictures of it in a luggage, it's so adorable. Or when it's already on the bed, it's really really nice. And of course, it's compact as well. I really fit a lot of things in here, and some of my organizers or travel pouches already fit up clothes, so I don't really bring too much anymore on those, and then just add them this one. And yeah, it's really nice, so they get to go out as well. Okay, and one more thing, I don't know if it's one more thing, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I've been loving this one popped into my Shopee feed out of nowhere, I guess. Maybe because I was like looking for a mic, and then suddenly this one pops in. Well, like a day already that I was not looking for a mic anymore, but then I really need a mic, the one with the sound diffuser, or like removes this extra sound, especially with fan, because like I said, it's hot here. I don't like to put on the aircon because it's so noisy, and then with the fan it's already noisy enough, but with this one, like right now, you don't hear the fan. Okay, I'm hoping, because I'm hoping it's not okay, it's not low bat. So I love this. This is like the beautiful TNW mic, and this one comes at this little one. This has different colors. It's so adorable, and it has two mics already. Now this is a bit more pricey than the ones that I usually buy if you're going to like get a mic that is more affordable. But this one, for the price, I would suggest you guys get this one instead of the super cheaper ones, because this one already has two mics. This one it has that furry soundproofing thing, and of course it has the soundproof settings. So it's here, the soundproof settings is in here, this one right here. You can just click that and then click it off if you want to hear the sound, and then click it on if you want to remove the extra sounds. So this one, I can honestly say, is great. Plus, the best part to this, as you can see right now, I'm using one of it, is it's magnetized. The attachment of the item is a magnet. I really like it. This also has a clip magnet. So like I said, it's already complete in this set. Now I can put here the clip ones. I can put it as a storage here, but come on guys, like seriously, this is so nice. I choose the cream color because I didn't want something like too colorful. I really been loving this shade. Honestly, I've been like getting a lot of stuff in this shade. I don't know why. There was this beautiful Tiffany blue color of this one. I really like that, but I decided to get a neutral color because I think it's more of the aesthetics that I prefer now. So yeah, I love it. And like I said, it's super packed. If you want to video your travels, you like travel vlogs, you're not really like the YouTuber, you just really want to video your travel vlogs and you want to talk in it, this is the best. And if you are like a starter YouTuber, or you're like me that has like a couple of videos already, you want to try this because it'll make your life easier. It is so convenient, it's so light, like it's literally not heavy at all. Plus you could set it up and it's not as overpowering like the bigger mics like DJI Osmo. I know DJI Osmo is really really nice, I know the quality is great, but for a starter, if you want to keep it on the budget, this is the best one. This is also a nice like gift, honestly. I could recommend this so much. I could talk about this so much, but yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it so much anymore. So, and the last one, of course, I kind of forgot about this, but I would suggest if you're gonna get a toiletry bag, not the type like the travel organizers that I got, and not also the travel pouches, but although you can put it here, but this one. Now, this travel organizer, it says travel here. This one has the hook. I would recommend this one for so many reasons. First off, so as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in it. So there's my liner, there's some extra napkin, there's some shampoo, and of course some cotton because I do have a kid. Kind of need it, and also my husband is using a skin toner right now. This is the best because it hooks to a place where you can find a way to hook on something rather just putting it on the ground, and you can easily get, or it's accessible already for everything, and it's big. Like this one is a big stuff, and everything fits here with my hubby stuff, with my baby's shampoo and toothbrush and toothpaste, and of course our essentials are fit here as well. So this is a great travel pouch, and I know a couple of people are already, thousands of people have been using this, but I would really recommend it because it's super worth it. Using the hook, because a lot of people are using toiletry bags that are just plain without the hook. This one is super convenient. And I think that's about it. I've been blabbering on, and I just really wanted to share you the details of the stuff that I like bringing right now, especially for traveling, because it makes my health, it makes my life more convenient. So, but that's it for now for travel essentials. I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys, comment down below what other videos you want me to talk about with regarding to summer or maybe spring or a vacation. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please hit the ring, please hit the bell button, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.